Most people think respect is earned after years, but psychology says people often decide how much they respect you within the first few minutes of meeting you. And the scary part? You might be losing respect instantly without realizing it, because certain behaviors make people subconsciously see you as weak, insecure, or easy to ignore. But a few small psychological changes can completely change how people treat you. Here are 5 psychology tricks that instantly make people respect you. 1. Stop seeking approval. People respect those who don't desperately try to be liked. Psychology says emotional security naturally attracts respect. When you constantly seek validation, people subconsciously feel you're unsure of yourself. But when you're okay with not pleasing everyone, you appear stronger instantly. Confident people would rather be respected than constantly approved of. 2. Speak slowly and calmly. Fast speech often signals nervousness. Calm speech makes people perceive you as confident and in control. That's why leaders and confident people usually pause while speaking. A calm voice tells the brain, this person feels secure. The calmer your tone is, the more powerful your words sound. 3. Don't over-explain yourself. Over-explaining makes you look uncertain. Confident people keep their words simple and direct. Instead of giving long excuses, they say, this works best for me. The less defensive you sound, the more people respect your decisions. People trust confidence more than unnecessary explanations. 4. Use calm eye contact. Good eye contact signals confidence, trust, and presence. It makes people feel heard and respected. Avoiding eye contact can make you seem insecure, but relaxed eye contact makes your presence feel stronger without saying anything. Sometimes confidence is communicated silently. 5. Be comfortable with silence. Confident people don't rush to fill every quiet moment. Silence creates authority and makes others pay attention. Most people talk too much because silence makes them nervous. But psychology says people who stay calm in silence appear mentally stronger. A short pause can make people value your words more. Respect isn't about being aggressive. It's about showing confidence, self-control, and emotional stability. Because people don't just judge your words, they judge your energy, reactions, and behavior. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more psychology-based content that helps you understand people, behavior, and human nature on a deeper level. Because once you understand psychology, you start seeing the world very differently.